Hello friends, today we are going to have a look at the new product. This is a robot vacuum cleaner. So as the name suggests, it is a vacuum cleaner and which is like self-guided. So it's like it finds its own path and cleans the house. I have it in my home for a couple of years now, and I will be discussing the features and how it works and what all things it has. So let's get started. So as you can see that I am doing nothing, and wherever it finds the obstruction, it tries to divert its path and go ahead and clean the things. It has plenty of modes, like as you can see right now it is not banging on the surface. Once it is detecting any obstruction, it is just bouncing off the wall or door, anything you can say. So let me turn off that feature, because some of the clients say that what about the debris right near the corners and alongside the walls. So I'll be turning off that feature. We have a remote for this, and this is that bounce back feature. So I'm going to turn it off and we'll see again. Now you will see that it will bang purposely and try to clean the thing as close as possible. Okay, and let me tell you one thing here. Let me topple it off and show you some more features. As of now, right now I have cleaned the whole house, so it is containing a lot of dust inside. So it has got two brushes which clean simultaneously, and also it has a vacuum brush here. So everything which is collected from the sides, it is drawn towards the center and it is getting collected in the box here. Now this box we can always remove and clean it. So let me show you. So as you can see, just a press of the button just underneath, it comes out very easily and we can clean it. So how to open this? You just have to press here and this will open. There is a filter here and you can see all this dust. Now I'm going to empty this. You just have to tap it to release all the dust and just clean the filter a little bit. So this will clean your container, and you can clean the filter also, which is another filter here. So this is a special filter for the motor inside. As you can see, small motor is inside there. So you just have to clean this one also and put it back, and the unit is ready to go again. So I'll fix this again. You must have heard the click sound, so it is ready to go again. And I'll tell you one more feature. So what I have in my hand right now, it's a mop, and I'm going to fix it on this plastic cartridge here. It's very easy to fix actually, and before fixing this I would show you how to fill the tank with the water. So this thing will actually mop the floor. So you can see I have opened the rubber cover here, and now you should pour water. You can put Lysol or whatever disinfectant you want. Just have to put some water, and this water will get empty time to time, so you have to fill it maybe couple of times, so that will be okay. So now I'm showing you how to fix it. It's really easy to fix it. It has some velcro things here, you know, as you can see. You just have to tighten up and fix it. So now it is ready. So your mop is ready. Now I will fix it in the vacuum cleaner.